Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to your maths class. I hope you all are doing very well fine and you all are also safe at your home. So today we are going to work in our workbook, and the pages we are going to complete today are page number 31 and 32. So take out your books and open page number 31 and 32. The icon we have on page number 31 are read, trace and color. Write the date first, then look. Here we have something on our worksheet and you know what it is. Well, this is a shape, and do you remember what shape is this? याद है आपको? Well, अगर आपको याद है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, and if you don't remember then I will tell you. This is a flat shape and it is called a rectangle. Yes, this is a rectangle. Rectangle, rectangle, and rectangle is a flat shape. Well, क्या आपको याद है कि ये किस सॉलिड ऑब्जेक्ट का इम्प्रेशन है? Yes, do you remember it? किस सॉलिड ऑब्जेक्ट, किस सॉलिड शेप का इम्प्रेशन रेक्टेंगल कहलाता है? हमने पढ़ा है उसे. That is cuboid. Yes, it is cuboid. Cuboid is a solid shape and its impression is called rectangle, which is a flat shape. So you have to trace the rectangle given on page number 31. There are some different sizes. आपको सिर्फ इसे trace करना है यहाँ, and you have to color. You have to color all three rectangles given on this page. So this was all about page number 31. Remember that rectangle is a flat shape and it is the impression of cuboid, which is a solid shape. Now let's move to page number 32 और देखते हैं कि क्या वो page number 31 से connect होता है या नहीं. Well, the icons are read, match and color. Write the date first, then look. Here we have two shapes. One of them is a flat and the other one is a solid. Yes. So the flat shape is rectangle. Rectangle. And किसका impression है ये? It is the impression of cuboid. 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 ठीक है? So I hope कि आपको इसमें कुछ difference नज़र आ रहा होगा. Flat shape and the solid shape. Alright? Now children, on the other hand, we have some pictures here. Some are the objects and some are two shapes. So जो objects हैं हमें उन्हें किससे मिलाना है? Definitely we are going to match it with the solid shape. The solid objects are going to be matched with the solid shape. And the solid shape over here is cuboid. And the other flat shapes are going to be matched with the flat shape we are given in the first place, which is rectangle. So the first one is solved for you. Look, here is a table. A table. And it is a solid object. That's why this one is matched with cuboid. याद है जब हमने क्यूबॉइड पढ़ा था तो हमने बहुत सी चीज़ें रिलेट की थी इस सॉलिड शेप से. जैसे कि आप अभी भी अपने रूम में देख सकते हैं. मे बी यू हैव अ टेबल सिमिलर टू दिस वन इन योर वर्कशीट. और आप क्यूबॉइड में क्या क्या देख सकते हैं? Well, you have doors, you have windows, tables, or maybe you have a cupboard. There are so many things which are in the shape of cuboid. Okay, now look, the other picture is of a flat shape. और क्या ये flat shape rectangle से similar है? Exactly, it is similar to the rectangle. So you will match rectangle to this shape. And after this you will match the other two pictures by yourself. अब आपको देखना है which is the solid object और वो किससे match होगा, whether with the rectangle or with cuboid. Okay, and after that you have to color the pictures, and with this the worksheets will be completed. So I hope you enjoyed today's class and you reviewed the concept of flat and solid shape. And we are going to meet in the next video inshallah with some new thing to work on. Till then, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.